A very, very important breaking news, and I think it is a good news for all of you that wrote your JAMB and you have been crying that you did not write well. JAMB just gave us this information which I am giving you right now as the news just dropped. JAMB just said that 379,997 candidates will rewrite their JAMB for this year. At least it's a fresh opportunity for you to upgrade your JAMB result. Let me give you the news. JAMB has announced that 379,997 candidates in the just concluded 2025 UTME would retake the exam. Are you happy or not that you have the option to retake the exam? JAMB Registrar Professor Ishak Oloyede stated this at a press conference in Abuja on Wednesday. I'm making this on Wednesday, that very first day that he gave the information. It was a combination of human error and technology. We are sincerely sorry, he says. So JAMB is apologizing to you, and I'm also joining them to apologize to you. If you accept the apology, please let me know in the comment section. According to him, while 206,610 candidates in Lagos are to retake the exam, 173,387 candidates are to rewrite in the southeastern states of Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Anambra. I hope you are following. So these are the 8 places where they will retake the JAMB. Okay? I want you to pay attention because this one involves you. This follows a widespread complaint of technical glitches. There were glitches. If you are having issues, please also come under the comment and tell me. If you have not seen your result, if your result is poor, tell me the result they gave you and the state you wrote your own, so that we can begin now to track it. This followed widespread complaint of technical glitches, unusually low scores, and alleged irregularities in the just concluded UTME. Okay? Now let's go on. I hope you are happy and following. According to him, why 206? Okay, this follow Professor Oyelode, who wept profusely, intermittently wiping his face with a handkerchief, so he was even crying. Hey, somebody say, hey, these are things they should have handled. These are things, I don't know. These are things they should have taken care of even before the exam, after all the money you people paid. Professor Oloyede, who wept profusely, said he took full responsibility for the negligence of his staff, revealing that 65 centers in Lagos and 92 centers in the Owerri zone, covering the 5 states in the southeast, would rewrite the exam. I hope you are paying attention. Lagos and southeastern states are to rewrite the exam. It has been established that a technical glitch affected 157 centers. Can you imagine? About 157 centers, their system were messed up. Out of the 887 centers in the UTME, 2025 UTME, this was basically responsible for the general load performance. So when there are some people that are already in the hospital, somebody chatted me that her daughter has been crying since they saw the result. Please, it is not because the person is not intelligent. JAMB has come out to apologize. This has basically responsible for the general low performance of the candidates rescheduled to receive the examination in those centers. As a result, all the affected candidates will be contacted. So I want you to expect JAMB to contact you. JAMB is going to send you a message, an email. They are going to contact you, and I'm going to tell you how you are going to know if you are one of them. Are going to be contacted to reprint the examination slips towards retaking the exams, starting from 16th May. So from 16th of May, from 16th of May. I'm making this video, I think, on 14th of May. In a few days' time, so you should start working on it immediately, reprinting your exam slip. If you don't know how to do this particular reprinting, let me know so that we can handle it together. Okay? Let me continue to give you the information. This is still better than, I think this is still better than having to settle for less competitive course, you know. So I made a video earlier about doing change of course, doing change of institution, but this is better. Rewriting is better, so that I believe there will be no glitches. You can now make up your scores and enter the preferred school you want. Imagine somebody that has been targeting to do medicine and needs at least 350, 320 to pass, and the person, because of the glitches, is getting 200 and something. This is a better alternative for you. Okay, this is quite a better way for you to upgrade your score. Let me tell you again. The information I gave you is that JAMB, the registrar stated, he said, has announced that 379,997 candidates in this JAMB are to retake. In fact, tell me, based on your results that you have seen, do you want to retake? Do you wish to retake it? Do you wish to retake? JAMB registrar stated at a press conference in Abuja on Wednesday. That is today that I'm making this video on a Wednesday. I don't know the date you are watching the video. And remember, like I said earlier, that he said that it is a combination of human error and technology. We are sincerely sorry. Please, do you accept this apology? Do you? If you accept the apology, let me know. No, I think we are not going to flog JAMB. Thank God that they said, according to him, 206,610 candidates in Lagos. In Lagos, it majorly affected people in Lagos. Then 173,387 are affected. It means that the northern region, those in the north are not among those to rewrite, except, and they are doing. Remember when I told you to post the hashtag? There was something I said, post an hashtag, this is not my result. Do you remember? It is the effect of those hashtags that you people started posting that helped us to compel JAMB to make it that you have to rewrite. This followed widespread complaints of technical glitches, unusually low scores, and alleged irregularities in the just concluded UTME. From this video I made, if your region, like you are in the north, and you experience such glitches, and your state is not among those, please let me know so that we can start another campaign that could compel JAMB to also extend the rewriting to your region. If there's anything I said you don't understand, let me know. Rewatch this video. There's an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it right now. Remember, join our YouTube channel. If you want to get updates, subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. Like this video, share this video, copy the link, post it on WhatsApp, on YouTube, on all platforms for all JAMB candidates to know what is happening so that they can prepare to rewrite the exam. Click on the video on the screen and watch now.